Hey guys, so right now we're looking at how to name a plane. So we're given a plane here. You can tell that it's a plane because it's a flat surface, and even though it looks more like a four-sided shape, like a parallelogram, it actually just represents a flat surface that does go on forever in all directions. So when we're looking at it, we need points that are on that plane to name it. So there are two ways to name it. Sometimes you'll see a letter in the corner, usually in cursive, like this one. Notice there's no dot attached to it, which means it's not a point. What it's there to do is to name that plane. So you could name it plane R, okay? Another way to name a plane is to choose any three non-collinear points that are on that plane, okay? When I say non-collinear, I mean 3 points that are not on the same line. So another way you could name this plane is plane, let's see, I'm going to pick 3 points that are non-collinear. We've got W right here, we've got Y, we've got F. Okay, I'll use those 3 points. And it doesn't matter the order that you put the letters. I can put them in any order that I wish. So I'm going to put F, W, Y. Okay? Always 3 letters, 3 non-collinear points. Keep in mind they have to be points that are on the plane. For instance, I cannot use I because I is not on that plane. Okay? That's a quick rundown on how to name a plane.